What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you an accessory that I've been using from a company called Sametop. It is an aluminum latch system that replaces the plastic system that comes whenever you purchase the GoPro. What I'm going to do first is a waterproof test just to make sure that it doesn't leak. So this is the water test. You can see here it's a very nice black finish, but you can also choose from a variety of colors: blue, pink, red. They've got a bunch of colors. I decided to go with the black. So here we go. Alright, so I'm going to dry this off just to make sure there isn't any moisture inside. And just as I thought, it is completely dry, absolutely zero moisture inside the case. Waterproof test complete. So after filming with the Sametop aluminum latch system for the past few hours, both in water and out of water, and also having it accidentally fall from a tree, I would say it held up very well, and I'd highly recommend picking it up. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can purchase it on Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys.